Hello and welcome to another update video about Ripple XRP. We've hit the target level at in this target box, perfectly in the middle. Yeah. Only a few days ago, I reminded you of this target level that I would believe we come down further into this target box. Basically, with that would have been the C then, that would have been the B, and the A was here. Yeah, I made the video a couple of days ago. For the very first time, I talked about levels between 70 and 50 cents. 2.5 months ago, and you can see how much these, how Elliott Waves actually can project price moves. I'm more and more impressed the more I actually apply them here in crypto. And I mean, I've used them in other markets years ago a lot, but in crypto only really since I started this channel, and it works out, even though. And you can see that they actually work because they present scenarios which people don't believe will happen. I mean, who a few days ago, who would have talked about a 50 to 70 cent Ripple XRP? I've not seen any TA talking about that. If you know any, let me know. But there you go. We've hit the target level. And again, for the first time, I talked about these levels, 50 to 70 cents, in this video on the 23rd of September. Ripple XRP Elliott Waves, similar to Cardano at the time, where I made you aware of levels around 181 and maybe lower, also in the middle of September. These Elliott Waves can give a good indication of what is coming next. The good news is that we've now hit these lowest levels that possibly, and again, it also depends on Bitcoin to a degree, but a lot of cryptos which are now in this C correction, a lot of altcoins like Ethereum as well, and there are a few others that I talk about in different videos, and also Cardano, that are actually looking quite bullish from the chart at the moment, whereas Bitcoin is looking quite bearish. So I'm wondering if this means that altcoins could decouple themselves from Bitcoin, and if we maybe see an alt season that we don't expect, where Bitcoin is suffering a little bit and the altcoins are really going up, because a lot of these altcoins now seem to complete their corrections, right? Ripple, for example, has been in this correction now for 2 months, 2.5 months, and I mean, we called it early on this channel, this correction. So yeah, I expected price between 50 and 70 cents. This looked like a breakout here, but it failed. So in the end, this came down again into the target range. Reminded you a few days ago of it. So whoever went with it or whatever decision you took, congrats. But again, it's hard to believe sometimes, which I hope when you watch these videos, you subscribe, you see over time that these target levels actually work. Maybe you gain confidence and you can take something out for you as well. Because I think these general ideas of where the market is heading on the larger scale, I mean, we're talking weeks and months here, this can give a good indication of where markets can be heading and can give you more support in your trading and investing. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, not giving you any, telling you what to do, but I can give you levels here where I think it might be possible that the price is turning around, and instead of just looking at indicators and moving averages. So that worked out so far. We have since then reclaimed a level above this target level. Yeah, so we've come back above 70 cents, above the 0.786 level. So even if Bitcoin now drops further, as I indicated in the Bitcoin video today, we still have scope to move down to maybe even 50 cents before it really becomes bearish. As long as this is the case, all of this, what you see here in white, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move up, was a wave 1, a larger wave 1. This is a larger wave 2, which can come down without a problem to levels like these. Yeah, this is exactly the same level where Cardano is at the moment as well, the 0.887 Fib level. And from here, we could see really a turnaround. So let's see what's going to happen. I personally, purely by applying the Elliott Waves, I would expect a turnaround here and see levels above 142. But again, we can get down to 50 cents again before we see that turnaround. And then I would expect levels above 142. Let's see if that's going to play out. If you want to be updated, hit the like button, subscribe and comment. And if you really like the content and want some more in-depth chatting and a live stream per week, then maybe consider to join as a channel member. You can find the join button below the video. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.